Hey guys, Dr. Rick here with another tailored teeth tip, and today we're talking about how to most easily and efficiently take care of that beautiful smile. Let's talk. Let's talk about the absolute bare minimum of dental hygiene. 5 things you need to be doing. Number 1, you need to brush twice a day, properly. Number 2, you need to use fluoride and have fluoride toothpaste, and even fluoride in your normal water you're drinking is a good idea. Number 3, you need to floss between every single tooth at least once a day. Number 4, you need to visit your dentist and have a good dental team who you see twice a year for checkups and cleans. And number 5, your diet needs to be reasonably well balanced and for your sugar intake to be as low as it can be. I'm going to go through all of these 5 points in a lot more detail, but today the first 2, how to brush better and how important fluoride is. Alright, first, how to brush like a boss. I used to counsel all of my patients on something called the modified Bass technique, which is how to use a manual toothbrush perfectly. I don't anymore, to be honest. Aside from telling my patients to use a soft bristle toothbrush, I'm trying to get everybody on the electric toothbrush bandwagon because they are fantastic. The 2 biggest issues that I see in my patients using a manual toothbrush are toothbrush abrasion, where you've just scrubbed away all your enamel and your teeth look really yellow and are very sensitive because you're brushing and scrubbing too hard. And the other is pretty much the opposite. Patients who brush a bit too quickly and they're not as focused on getting to every area properly, they end up with decay and gum disease because those areas just aren't addressed properly and aren't cleaned. Let's talk about how we can fix this. I love the Philips Sonicare range of toothbrushes. For those 2 reasons. They have pressure sensors, so you can't be abrading your teeth because it stops vibrating if you're pushing too hard. The other is something called a quad pacer, which breaks your mouth up into quadrants, so top left, bottom left, and has a 30-second buzz in between each of those. So you know that in total you'll do 2 minutes of brushing and each area individually will be adequately cleaned. In addition to those features, I also really appreciate the sonic mechanics. It does more movements in 1 minute than you would do in a month with a manual toothbrush. That is efficiency, and that is how to make sure you're getting the best clean every time. The second top tip for making sure your teeth stay healthy is let fluoride into your life. There are 2 main sources you're going to get the fluoride from. One is from the city water. City water has 1 part per million fluoride, which is the bare minimum amount for doing anything with strengthening your teeth. The other is obviously a good fluoride-containing toothpaste. These 2 things working together will make your teeth more resistant to acid, which is the main way that your tooth structure wears away. Both from the bacteria that eat away your teeth and cause decay, they make acid on your tooth and then eat that acid-affected tooth structure. The other way is if you have a lot of dietary acids in your food, or if you suffer from any sort of reflux disease or heartburn, you will tend to have more acid in your mouth, and that acid leads to dental erosion and wearing away of the teeth. When you have fluoride in there, it means that your teeth can be in acid for longer without wearing away and becoming sensitive. So guys, I think that the combination of a really, really good toothbrush and brushing technique and knowing what fluoride does and how much benefit you can get from it will set your oral hygiene to new standards. So please, if you have any questions, let me know. If there's anyone that you think could benefit from this video, share it with them. But otherwise, keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you got something out of this video or if you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Otherwise, there's much more on our channel right here. There's another one there. There's one more right there. Hopefully see you soon. Keep smiling.